In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Venmo account to Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Trust Wallet like you normally would, and you want to go to the main menu where your balance is. And over here, you're going to see a button that says buy, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. And then from here, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and it is going to say pay with followed by card, and it is going to say that by default. But what you're able to do is you're able to select on this, and then you'll notice that we're going to have Venmo as an option. If you don't see Venmo as an option, then what you may need to do is you may need to change the provider. So the default one is MoonPay, but you're able to use something like Transact, Mercurio, Alchemy Pay, etc. And you're able to go ahead and change it. And then you should see Venmo, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and log into your Venmo account. You may be asked to perform security measures, such as sending a message to your phone number in order to confirm that it is actually you. But afterwards, you should be good to go. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and actually use funds from your Venmo account in order to purchase crypto on Trust Wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.